Okay na.
Hello, ayun, oh, 'di ba? Oh, ayan. Pero una sa lahat, I would like to take this opportunity na magpasalamat sa DMW for the privilege na-invite po ako dito. Thank you very much. Lalong-lalo na sa ating head ng DMW na si Coach Fernan and lahat yung coaches. Ayan, Coach Ayan, Coach Malu, and sa lahat ng coaches na nakakapag bahagi sa akin yung ah, pagiging isang sharer dito sa DMW. Ayan. So, just like Coach Ayan have said, ako po si Juliet Tolentino and I am a retired nurse. Ayan, I am a nurse by profession. Yan, ako. I took up Bachelor of Science in Nursing and I have retired as nurse too from Lasam District Hospital. And at the same time, as of the moment, at present, I am the manager of Royal Palm Park and Aviation Snack House. Ayan. So I am happily married to former seafarer. Ayan. And I have 4 kids. Yan. I have 4 daughters. Ayan sila. 2 of them are healthcare aide in Alberta, Canada. Ayan. And one is a school teacher, secondary school teacher. At yung bunso namin ay operating room nurse dito po sa Gat Andres Bonifacio Medical Center dito po sa Manila. Ayan. So, nursing is my passion because I love serving people. Ayan. Kaya ako naging isang nurse. Ayan. And I have 25 years in the service from a government hospital. Yan. Yun po. So, I'm really proud to be a nurse. Ayan. Ayan yung aming mga pictures ng mga kasamahan ko sa hospital. Yan. Oo, ganon. And I also have the chance to travel with my hubby sa United States of America at tapos sa Canada to visit our kids over there. 2 of them are there and meron po kami 5 grandchildren doon sa Canada. Ayan. So, ito yung aking mga family. And at the same time, at present, I am a silver rank dito po sa Live Good. Ayan. So, yun po yung aking brief tawag dito, na brief personal information. Ayan. Diba, mga kapatid? So, ayan. Oh, so, during my stint as a nurse sa hospital, I like really doing sidelines, ganon. I used to sell life insurances, ganon. Nagbebenta rin ako ng mga customized na mga calendars, ganyan, mga vegetable, frozen foods, ganon. We even put up a piggery at nag-aalaga kami ng mga inahing baboy, mga fattening, ganon. But then, I left the service from the government at nagpunta rin ako sa Kingdom of Saudi Arabia yan. And I work as a nurse with Al Bustan Polyclinic doon. But unfortunately, I have to get back dito sa atin after 1 year dahil namatay yung aking mother and nobody's going to take care of our kids. Kaya. And then, I applied na naman sa hospital and was accepted as casual employee. O di ba yung mga nandito na naging naka-experience ng casual employee, sige nga, type nga ng ato. Ayan. O di ba? Ang casual employee, mga kaibigan, ay walang security of tenure. O ganon. So, but because of diligence and hard work, I was eventually reinstated sa nursing service. And then, eventually, na-promote to a higher position o ganon. So, because of dedication to my work, I did my best shot pag may binibigay na responsibility sa akin. Noong nag-launch ang Department of Health Central Office ng TB-based program sa mga hospitals, I was unanimously endorsed to handle a special unit doon sa aming hospital. Ganon. And by the time I was sent to special trainings. O, alam niyo po mga kaibigan, I would like to inform everyone na out of all the district hospitals in our province, including some private hospitals, tanging ang aming unit lamang ang naging accredited para sa project ng Central Office ng Department of Health. O, di ba? O, ganun. And during the performance review, ang hospital po namin, ang unit na hinahawakan ko ay have garnered an award of excellence. O, di ba? Palakpakan naman natin yun. So, I did my best in manning the unit really. So, shout out sa ating mga team, Dr. Irene Duca and Dr. Belma Barrientos. Ayan, o di ba? But all of those things are already a thing of the past. O di ba? After my retirement, I was thankful that I have to get back to my family again. Ayon, I believe that time that I was already a fulfilled career woman, ayan, a wifey to my hubby, and a mother to my kids, ayan, and grandmother to my grandchildren. Ayun. So, at that time, ang alam ko, I just have to sit back, ganon, di ba? I just have to sit back and relax. Ganun sana ang iniisip ko noon. Kukuya-kuya ko na lang, ganun. Pero oh my God, I miss yung monthly na sahod, monthly na may tinatanggap, ganun. Because I still have to wait another 2 years before my pension would start. Ganun, o di ba? Kaya yun yung challenge. Imagine, retired ka na, senior citizen ka pa, o di ba? Wala ka nang, parang wala kang magagawa. Oh, so, ano pa ba ang maaaring gawin ng isang senior citizen, di ba? Ang kagandahan, because of my kids are already gainfully employed on their own right, gugulatin ka na lang na, oh mapa, ganun. Tingnan nyo, meron kaming pinadalang ganun. Yan, o di ba? Kaya nami-miss ko talaga yung meron akong tinatanggap na monthly na sahod, ganun. Until one day, etong nag-message sa akin yung aking angel dito sa Live Good. O, di ba? Ang aking angel in the person of no less than the beautiful Coach Michelle Bautista all the way from Canada. Ayan, I love you, my upline, Michelle Bautista. Ayan, all the way from Canada. And then, she sent me a 5-minute video of no less than our CEO, Ben Gilklinski. O, di ba? And after watching, I said to myself, ala, gusto ko ito, sabi kong ganyan. Swak na swak sa akin ito, sabi kong ganon. Because dahil yung mission ng company na to help people get healthy and stay healthy without having to spend a fortune to do it. Grabe talagang ano ako doon, na-hook ako doon. Dahil syempre ako, bilang isa ng senior citizen, gusto ko yung magiging healthy pa. O, di ba? Because I still wanted to see what will happen to my grandchildren. Ganon. Kasi siyang lahat yung aming mga apo. I wanted to see them how they will be in the future. Ganon. Kaya, my God, sabi ko, ang ganda naman nito. Akala ko walang ganito. Sabi kong ganyan na you will enjoy amazing products and on the side, kikita ka. Meron ka pang chance na kumita. Kaya, ayun, nagustuhan ko talaga because all my life, it has been my passion to help people. O, di ba? When it comes to their health. Oh, and at the same time, yun na nga, sabi ko sa inyo, may kitaan dito, grabe. O talagang na-excite ako doon. Siyempre, sino ba naman ang ayaw kumita? O, di ba? Kesa all the while talagang na-miss ko yung meron kang tinatanggap na monthly, gano'n, na sahod. Eh dito, hindi lang monthly, meron pa tayong weekly. O, di ba? Gaya ng na-discuss kanina ni Coach Ayan, na grabe yung mga ways na kitaan dito, grabe. Talaga rin naman. O, di ba? So, when I joined Live Good, hindi lang pala yung ganon, hindi lang tungkol dun sa mga products, amazing products na mga organic, 100% organic, superior quality and everything. Hindi lang yun. There are still a lot more that Live Good can offer to all of us. O, di ba? Here in Live Good, I met a lot of friends. Ayan, I welcome new learnings because I believe that learning is a continuous process. So, di ba? Yung mga Canva na yan, mga graphic designs na yan, hindi ko yan alam noon. Grabe, talaga rin naman hindi ako ganon na techie. O, di ba? Kaya lang nung nag-Live Good ako, biruin mo na, tutunan ko na yung mga ganyan-ganyan, mga copy-paste, mga ganon, mga share-share na yan. Oh my God, ang ganda dito sa Live Good. Grabe na enjoy ko talaga. Aside from the kitaan na sabi ko sa inyo na hindi lang monthly, meron pang weekly. Oh, grabe talaga rin naman. Kaya tuwang-tuwa ako dito, nag-enjoy ako dito, and the more na parang nagkaroon ako ng really burning desire to do the Live Good business after na maka-attend ako nung second year anniversary doon sa GBC. Grabe, ang saya. Kaya sabi ko, my God, ang ganda naman nitong Live Good. Sabi ko, ganyan. Kaya, ine-encourage ko lahat yung mga kasama ko dyan, na mga co-retirees, mga, mga senior citizens. Huwag niyo sabihin na wala na kayong pwedeng gawin. Marami pa. Imagine, siyempre tayong mga senior, hindi na tayo mag-a-apply ng iba pang trabaho dahil wala nang tatanggap sa atin dahil sa mga age natin. O, di ba mga kapatid? Kaya dito tayo sa Live Good dahil this business that you can do at the comfort of your home. Oh, nandito lang tayo sa bahay tapos gagawin natin yung Live Good. Mag-e-enjoy po tayo dito. Ayan, there's a lot that we can do here in Live Good. Huwag tayong magmukmuk dyan sa bahay lang. Dapat, because language and thoughts go hand in hand with each other. Kaya kailangan makipag-associate tayo sa marami. Ganon. Meet a lot of friends. Ganon. Through online lamang. O, di ba mga kaibigan, hindi mo na kailangang lumabas dahil system ready na lahat yung mga ibinigay ng company para sa atin. O, di ba mga kapatid? Imagine, superior quality organic products and a chance to earn with the most generous compensation plan. O mag-start ka na ng business with only $49.95. That's more or less 3,000. Or in a monthly 9.95 subscription na posibleng kikita with considerable amount na passive and residual income. O bale, yun ay parang yung subscription mo. Iniisip ko, yung subscription mo, eto na yung parang iniipon mo na retirement. Samantalang noon kami, imagine, you have to contribute monthly sa iyong life retirement para doon sa GSIS. But then, makukuha mo lang yun pag magre-retire ka. Dito, hindi. Imagine kung nagfo-focus ka, kung ginagawa mo yung part mo, o di ba? Dito monthly natatanggap ka ng iyong tinatawag na retirement money. O di ba? Ang saya. Kaya kung ako, hindi ako techie, Hindi ako marunong na masyado dyan sa mga ganyan-ganyan na mga kanva-kanva, mga design-design, mga digitalization. Hindi ako marunong masyado dyan. But I am teachable. I am coachable. Hindi ako naiyang magtanong kung yung mga hindi ko alam. Coach, paano ba ito? Coach, paano? I do not pretend na alam ko. Ganon. Kaya, ino-open ko yung paano bang gagawin ko na ganito, ganyan. O, di ba? Noon, hindi ako marunong mag-encode. Pero dahil dito sa LiveGood, yung mga encode na yan, oh, grabe talaga rin naman. Natutunan ko yan dito sa LiveGood. Kaya, kung ako na hindi techie, isang senior citizen, isang retired na, oh, nag-e-enjoy ako dito sa LiveGood. How much more yung mga bata? Ano? Yung mga nasa kabataan, yung mga nasa very productive age. Gawin nyo itong LiveGood. If by any chance na you came across LiveGood, may nag-offer sa inyo, may nag-invite sa inyo dito, huwag kayong tatanggi. Tingnan nyo muna, silipin nyo muna what LiveGood has to offer. And I assure you, just like me, na hindi ako techie, isang senior citizen, yan. Nag-e-enjoy ako dito, kumikita ako dito at the comfort of our home. Kayo pa na mga bata, gawin nyo ito. Dahil dito, imagine, napakaraming graduate na walang trabaho. Kaya tingnan nyo ito because LiveGood has a lot of things to offer sa bawat isa sa inyo. Ayan. Also, before I end up, I would like to thank DMW Coach, our very own Diamond Leader, Crown Diamond Leader, Coach Fernan Santiago, for giving me this privilege. It's really an honor to be a sharer of DMW. Salamat po sa inyo at sa ating sa lahat ng coaches na tumulong. Ayan, Coach Malu, thank you very much, Coach Ayan, Coach Joey, at sa aking direct sponsor, I would like to say thank you very much, Coach Michelle Bautista, for bringing me here at Live Good. And lastly, I would like to thank God. Lord, thank you, thank you. To God all be the glory for this opportunity, for this Live Good opportunity. At sana, kahit napakaikli lang, sana na-inspire ko po kayong lahat at sana makasama namin kayo dito sa Live Good. I would also want to thank Alliance of Affiliate Marketing of Professionals, yan, under the umbrella of Magnet Alliance International under Sir J.M. Burse, ayan, at ang Team Kumita, ayan, under my coach, Coach Michelle Bautista, ayan, at sa lahat ng mga AMPs, yan, ang AMPs mga kaibigan, by the way, marami po kaming segments dyan, meron kaming super seniors, ayan, na makakasama ko sila Coach Amalia Robrido and Coach Vil Salufrania, parehong seniors yan. Every Wednesday po yan, gumigising kami ng maaga at nagkakanda kami ng podcast every Wednesday 4 a.m. in the afternoon. Ay, in the morning pala. In the morning, nalito tuloy ako. And then, meron po kaming OPA, yan, na tinatawag, yan. Oh. Tapos meron kaming OFW or Overseas Filipino Workers. Yung OPA, mga kaibigan, yan yung online parentpreneur and affiliates. Meron din kaming segment na negosyo. Ayan. At sana mga kaibigan, one time makapag-watch din kayo sa mga segments namin doon. Meron din kaming mga regional presentations, Aklanon, Ilonggo, Ilocano, and Visayan presentations. Ayan. And lastly, but not lastly, again, I would like to reiterate my thanks and gratitude to DMW, headed by no less than our Crown Diamond Coach Fernan Santiago. Thank you very much, and good morning.